Okay, so for this video, we're just going to cover step 1.1. Um, I'll go over the overview real quick. So essentially, you have this Onshape folder, which will take you. Um, you have this Onshape folder right here. Right here, simple top-down design one. So this folder right here is what we're going to use for the entirety of step one. So anything with 1 point something, it's just this, using this folder. So this video we're going to cover, what's it called? The different documents that you see here. So there are two types of documents. One of them is called the master sketch plus full robot document. It's According to ChatGPT, it's called a master model, but we'll leave it as this. We call it the master document, whatever. But for now, it'll just be called this because it makes it clear that these are the two things in this document. Um, so this document will contain what's it called? The master sketch and the full robot. So the master sketch is a part studio. It's just a skeleton of the whole robot. Has each feature will use specific sketches and planes as needed. This won't make a whole lot of sense until the next step. Just know for now, this is the master sketch. It's just a bunch of sketches. There will be a bunch of planes too. For the sake of this is really simple CAD so that you understand the structure of top-down design more than the CADing part. The full robot assembly studio, each feature will have its own assembly studio. This is called a feature subassembly. The full robot is just every single subassembly assembled together. I'll go over this in a second. I'll cover feature documents first. So a feature document would be like drivetrain or arm. So I have, let's open drivetrain. So we have drivetrain right here. And then, yeah, so you can call it like shooter document, shooter feature document. Doesn't matter too much. FPMs will manage their own feature document. So last year we had we had Lodem for as the FPM for shooter. So Lodem would manage the Onshape document called shooter. Yeah, there will be some cases where a feature may need more than one. This will be decided come build season. Documentation will come later. Don't worry about this. Each feature document will use very few part studios. So this is going to be covered more in step 3 right here. This will be covered more here. Don't worry about this too much for now. But yeah, just know that we're just gonna have like one big part studio, not a bunch of small part studios because it gets really messy. Top-down design favors a big part studio much more. Um, yeah, so the sub-assembly I was talking about, that's right here, this thing right here. Each feature document will also have a single assembly studio that consists of the fully assembled feature. This is called a sub-assembly. Each subassembly will be inserted into the full robot, right? So right here in the drivetrain, right, we have our drivetrain subassembly. Don't worry about the left, back, front stuff. That'll be covered in step 2. But yeah, basically this is then inserted back into full robot right here. So FPM, actually, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's for your full robot. And yeah, there isn't too much else going on. The structure is, you'll get used to it pretty quickly. It's not too complicated. But yeah, let's